It was January 9, 2007, a date that would go down in history as a turning point in technology. The tech world held its breath as Steve Jobs took the stage at Macworld 2007. The anticipation was palpable, the air electric with excitement. In his hands, he held a device that would change everything, the very first iPhone. This wasn't just another product launch, it was the dawn of a new era. Jobs called it a revolutionary and magical product. He wasn't wrong. The iPhone combined a phone, an iPod, and an internet communicator into one sleek device. The world had never seen a phone quite like it. The crowd's reaction was a mix of awe and disbelief. People were eager to get their hands on this groundbreaking device. The iPhone wasn't just about making calls. It was a mini computer, a personal assistant, and a gateway to endless possibilities. It was about connecting with the world in a whole new way. Apps, internet, browsing, and email were now at your fingertips, making life more convenient and connected. It was about putting the power of the internet in the palm of your hand. The iPhone made it possible to access information, communicate, and entertain oneself from anywhere. Over the years, the iPhone has evolved, but its core mission remains the same: to innovate and simplify our lives. From the first model to the latest, each iteration has pushed the boundaries of what a phone can do. Today, the iPhone is an integral part of our daily lives. It's hard to imagine a world without it. It has not only changed how we communicate, but also how we live, work, and play. The iPhone's impact is undeniable. It has set the standard for smartphones and continues to lead the way in innovation. This revolutionary moment in 2007 was just the beginning of a technological revolution that continues to shape our world. Kebab. The first iPhone was a revelation. Forget clunky keypads. This device boasted a revolutionary multi-touch interface. It allowed users to navigate with intuitive swipes and taps. The iPhone wasn't just about calling and texting. It was about browsing the internet on a mobile device that actually worked. And then there was the App Store. Launched a year later, it opened up a universe of possibilities. Suddenly, your phone could be a gaming device, a productivity tool, a social networking hub, and so much more. Apple didn't rest on its laurels. The iPhone 3GS brought speed improvements. Then came the iPhone 4 in 2010, introducing the world to the stunning Retina display. Text was sharper, images were more vibrant, and videos came alive. It set a new standard for mobile displays. The iPhone 4 also gave us FaceTime, revolutionizing video calling. The iPhone 5 followed with a larger display and the introduction of 4G LTE, making mobile internet faster than ever. İLETİŞİM. 2017 marked a turning point with the iPhone X. Apple ditched the home button for an edge-to-edge display. The iconic notch at the top housed a sophisticated facial recognition system. Face ID. It wasn't just unlocking your phone, it was about secure authentication for payments and apps. The iPhone X also marked the transition to OLED technology for iPhone displays. This brought even deeper blacks, more vibrant colors, and incredible energy efficiency. Section 5. Embracing the notch, and then some. The notch became a signature design element, housing the front-facing camera and Face ID sensors. The iPhone XS refined the design, while the iPhone 11 series introduced a triple camera system. The iPhone 12 brought back the squared-off edges, reminiscent of the iPhone 5. And then came the iPhone 14 Pro and its dynamic island. This innovative software feature turned the notch into an interactive part of the display. It could display notifications, alerts, and even live activities. Section 6. A design for the future. From the sleek glass and metal of the early models, like the iPhone 4 and iPhone 5, which set the standard for smartphone design at the time, to the surgical-grade stainless steel and durable glass of the later iPhones, such as the iPhone 12 and 13, which have redefined durability and elegance in mobile devices. The design has always been a talking point. Enthusiasts and critics alike have debated the merits of each new model, discussing everything from the materials used to the overall aesthetic. With each iteration, Apple has pushed the boundaries of what a smartphone can be, introducing new features and technologies that have set trends across the industry, both in terms of its capabilities and its aesthetics. The attention to detail in every curve, every button, and every interface element is a testament to Apple's commitment to design excellence. The rumored iPhone 16 Pro Max is said to feature a larger display, even faster processing power, and further camera improvements. These advancements are expected to set new benchmarks in the smartphone industry. The iPhone has become more than just a phone. It's a powerful computer, a high-quality camera, and a versatile tool that fits seamlessly into our daily lives, and a portal to a vast digital world. From accessing apps and digital content to managing our schedules and staying connected with loved ones, the iPhone has revolutionized the way we interact with technology. Its camera capabilities have evolved to the point where it is now used in professional photography and videography, capturing moments with stunning clarity and detail. The iPhone's processing power supports advanced applications like augmented reality and high-end gaming, making it a versatile device for both work and play. In educational and professional environments, the iPhone serves as a critical tool for learning, productivity, and communication, proving its value beyond just personal use. As we look to the future, the potential for further innovation in iPhone design and functionality seems limitless. Concepts and rumors hint at even more groundbreaking features that could redefine our expectations of what a smartphone can do. Integration with other Apple devices and smart home technology continues to enhance the iPhone's role in our connected lives, making it an indispensable part of the modern digital ecosystem. Ultimately, the iPhone's design for the future is not just about aesthetics or hardware improvements. It's about creating a device that seamlessly integrates into our lives, enhancing our experiences, and enabling us to do more than ever before. Section 7. The impact of the iPhone. The iPhone has had a profound impact on our lives. Since its introduction in 2007, it has revolutionized the way we interact with technology and each other. It changed the way we communicate, consume information, and interact with the world. From texting and video calls to social media and GPS navigation, the iPhone has integrated itself into nearly every aspect of our daily routines. The App Store created a whole new industry, giving developers a platform to reach millions of users. This digital marketplace has not only provided endless entertainment and utility apps, but also fostered innovation and entrepreneurship on an unprecedented scale. The iPhone has become an indispensable tool for many, connecting us to the people, information, and entertainment we love. Whether it's capturing memories through photos and videos, staying productive with work-related apps, or simply enjoying a game, the iPhone is at the center of it all. It's a testament to the power of innovation and the relentless pursuit of creating technology that truly enhances our lives. Each new model brings advancements that push the boundaries of what a smartphone can do, continually setting new standards for the industry. The iPhone's journey is a remarkable story of how a single device can transform the world. Section 8. Join the tech conversation. What do you think is the most significant innovation in the iPhone's history? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Let's keep the conversation going.